How are you? Welcome back to Wealthy Coin, where the CEO of Binance went an important message about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is based on how the price has moved recently. Up to 71% of its owners are either losing money or just breaking even. Most of these buyers, or 66.85% of them, are losing money on their investments. The new campaign against Shiba Inu has been blamed for this bad turn of events. The Data Nerd, a crypto Twitter account based on the blockchain, called attention to today's bad news by putting data from the block into the tweet. In this video, we'll talk about the important message from Binance's CEO about Shiba Inu Shib news today. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis. Let's get started without further ado. The data from the video shows that most people who bought Shib did so between 11 cents and 14 cents. This suggests that most owners who are now losing money on their bags bought the asset in this price range. Still, up to 371.9 thousand addresses, or 29.6% of Shiba Inu holders, bought Shib tokens for less than their present value, 1,098 cents. Also, data shows that 5,226,000 addresses, or 4.8% of all Shib holdings, bought their tokens between 10 cents and 11 cents. This puts them at a point where they are breaking even because most buyers are buying between 11 cents and 14 cents. Analysts think that a rise in the price of Shiba Inu to 11 cents could cause investors to sell off their assets in order to break even. However, these are just guesses and should not be taken as financial advice. Even though there have been more positive feelings about Shib lately, there has also been a huge drop in bad feelings. Also, the feud that led to Shiba Inu's recent poor performance has been resolved by the asset's creators. Shib has been struggling to get its price back up to 11 cents since it fell below that level on March 21 after the Shiba Inu paperwork came out. Recently, there has been a rise in how people feel about Shib. With a rise of 2.54% in the last 24 hours, the asset is now worth 10,098 cents and is headed towards 11 cents. Shiba Inu is the second fastest growing asset among the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Satoshi Kusama, who is in charge of making Shiba Inu, recently showed how much he loves the Japanese Shiba Inu community by tweeting about how much fun he had talking with them. Kusama put a gif from the famous Japanese anime show Dragon Ball in his tweet. The anime Saiyan race is meant by the line, "We are all Saiyans." Saiyans are a race of strong warriors who are known for how well they fight. Goku and Vegeta, two characters from the show, are wearing green and blue jackets. Satoshi probably included this gif in his tweet to show how strong and united the Shiba Inu community is. He did this by making a parallel between science, friendship, and the bond between Shiba Inu fans. By making this comparison, Satoshi is making a joke about how the Shiba Inu society is strong and united, just like the Saiyans in Dragon Ball. Kusama also changed the location of his Twitter bio to Japan, which suggests that he has recently been there. The famous Shiba Inu dog breed, which comes from Japan, was the inspiration for the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. This breed has become very popular all over the world and an internet hit, in part because of the famous Doge meme. The Japanese Shib community thanked Kusama for his tweet, and a Ren Shib army user replied, "Shide Satoshi, thanks for the fun time. You speak Japanese so well. I felt moved to help you from Japan. I can't wait to talk to you again." Another Riri_Shib army user added, "Always feel free to come." These conversations show how friendly the Japanese Shib community was towards Kusama. Kusama said that the Shiba Inu dog was the cutest in a different tweet. This idea fits with the strong cultural ties between Japan and the Shiba Inu breed, which shows how important Japan is for the dog coin. The link between Kusama and the Japanese Shib community shows how popular the Shiba Inu coin is all over the world. Currency, as you reported today, the local community started a petition to get more local exchanges to list the meme coin. As the project continues to grow and change, its continued success will be helped by the excitement and support of its fans, especially in Japan. In the past few weeks, there's been a lot of pressure on the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This is because a wave of scandals has made buyers less confident in the ecosystem. From the idea that the Shiba Inu testnet chain is the same as Rainia's Tibet boy charging Satoshi Kusama with being Sam Bankman-Fried. Fear, doubt, and uncertainty about the environment got worse. But investors seem happy about the recent release of PuppyNet, the Shibarium testnet. This got rid of the FUD about the environment and showed investors that Shib is strong even though the odds are against them. CoinGecko showed that Shib was losing more than 6% per week, which seemed to shake people's trust. Shiba Inu's burn rate has been going down for the past 2 weeks after the price of the token went down. Shib Burn, a Twitter account that keeps track of how fast Shib burns, recently noticed that the burn rate had dropped by 70% in a week's time. This has already gone down by 63% overall, but it will still be a problem in the long run. This happened because of the fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD about the ecosystem, which was made worse by the recent claims about Shibarium and Satoshi. Even so, the Shiba Inu community still seems optimistic about Shibarium, and Satoshi has tried to reassure them. The price range for the token is very small right now. If the token breaks through 1,077 cents, Shib will be sure to aim for 1,192 cents. Investors and traders can also benefit from the fact that the big currencies aren't moving much right now. But investors should also pay attention to how macroeconomic changes are changing the financial market as a whole. The recent increase in interest rates by the U.S. Federal Reserve will affect how people feel about financial assets, especially risky ones like Shib. If the crypto market reacts badly to the recent increase in interest rates, Shib could be in trouble in the coming weeks. But new rumors about a possible partnership with Paramount Pictures should drive up the price in the next few days. In the meantime, investors and traders in Shiba Inu should feel positive about buying Shib, as it has a low chance of going down and a high chance of going up quickly. Shiba Inu has gotten a lot of attention from whale investors because the global banking sector is unstable and inflation is going up everywhere. Explorers on-chain data shows that over 1,330,370 Shiba Inu whales or centralized cryptocurrency platforms like Binance, OKX, Gate, EO, Crypto.io, and Poloniex hold the Shiba Inu coin. But the Shib army is made more interesting by the whales that don't have names. Because of this, Shiba Inu traders have more faith in both centralized and decentralized platforms that provide liquidity. Shiba Inu had a total trading amount of about $221,834,452 in a 24-hour period. Also, the Shiba Swap network has grown a lot by connecting to multiple chains to make it easier for people to trade digital assets. At the moment, most people in the Shiba Inu group are excited about the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling solution. Also, the Shibarium Layer 2 network gives the Shiba Inu network a lot of benefits, such as more transaction burns. In the Shiba Inu ecosystem, transaction burns are very important. About 510,341,407,182,067.20 Shib have already been burned, which is about 41.3% of the total stock. Burn tracker Shib Burn says that in the last 7 days, more than 834,804,461 Shiba Inu coins have been burned. Binance recently took down a trading pair that